Hi, my name is Kevin Wallen, motivational speaker, transformational coach, and leader of The Process. The Process is a place where you come to for 3 days, and for 3 days you do nothing but work on yourself. Everything that has gone on in your life has brought you here. The good, the bad, and the ugly. We give you an opportunity to take a look at it. You're gonna see the things that served you, the things that didn't serve you, and you have an opportunity to put some stuff down. The one thing for sure is that when you leave the process, you will know what your next step is.
Hi, my name is Tanya, and I actually flew in to do the process. Upon arrival, I can say that I was ridden with a lot of fear, anger, sadness, hurt, pain. The list goes on. Confusion, doubt. I'll even reiterate fear because I had that much of it in me.
So the process is mind, body, and spirit. You come into a situation where this thing is designed to disrupt your entire routine so that you can see yourself at a deeper level. We wake up every morning at a particular time. We end every day when our work is done.
Process is an intensive 3-day program way up in the Blue Mountains. You return to nature. You're stripped bare, metaphorically that is. And you tap into your true self, you look at who you really are, what brought you to where you are now, and how you can finally just drop the baggage that you've been carrying all this time.
Spending the 3 days here with Kevin and his crew and just the other participants from the process, I'm leaving in a state of peace, excitement, ready to get in there and play the game called life, and looking forward to come back and doing it again and also introducing it to other friends and family members.
You have to choose yourself.
Basically, if you don't take the chance and do this, then you're missing out on life in general. If I can fly from Florida, if I can fly from the United States and come here to do this, there's no excuse for why you can't come here and do this and clear out some of this baggage that's holding you back in life. And free yourself up so that you can be your best you.
Those of us who are carrying severe traumas, Kevin has created exercises that are designed to get to the core of the issues that are holding you back. And it's rough work, but if you play full out, you'll be finally able to attack the bully that's been sitting on your shoulder all your life and kick his ass.
You've played a significant role in how it is that you got here. Now it's time for you to play a significant role in your own rescue. Join me for 3 days in the Blue Mountains as we work through the things that have kept you stuck.